Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's Data Driven Insight segment. I'm your host Path Suri from IEEE-SSIT and I'm thrilled to introduce our special guest for today. With a strong background in US healthcare data management and a master's degree in big data analytics, please welcome an exceptional data analyst who has been instrumental in empowering organizations to make informed decisions and achieve their business goals. Allow me to introduce Ms. Niharika Upadhyay, a highly skilled data analyst with a passion for leveraging data to drive positive outcomes and growth. With extensive hands on experience in R programming and a knack for applying machine learning algorithms to real world datasets. She is an expert in extracting actionable insights from complex data. Through her career, she has developed a deep understanding of data analysis methodologies, data visualization techniques, and best data management practices. Her commitment of delivering data driven insights has helped organizations in the US healthcare data industries make strategic decisions that improve patient outcomes and drive operational efficiencies. Not only does she possess a technical skill set, but also a natural curiosity and eagerness to learn. She constantly stays updated with the latest trends and technologies in the field, ensuring her ability to leverage cutting edge tools and techniques to maximize the value of data. Today, gear up for getting to know all the tacky secrets behind revolutionizing the healthcare industry using data analytics, from discussing the challenges faced in analyzing healthcare data to exploring the potential of machine learning algorithms in improving patient care. So, be ready for hopefully an enlightening conversation for everyone. So, without further ado, please join me in welcoming Ms. Niharika Upadhyay, a dedicated data analyst who is passionate about making a difference. So, a very good evening to you, ma'am, and over to you.
Hi, thank you, Path. Good evening, everyone. My name is Niharika Upadhyay, and I'm excited to be here. First of all, I would like to thank IEEE-SSIT, VIT, and the SWD for having me and also giving me the opportunity to present. Before getting started, I would like to tell you something about myself. I am a data science professional and I have done my graduation in statistics and then masters in big data analytics. So I started my career with TCS and currently I'm working in Optum. I have 5 years of experience in life sciences healthcare industry. I'm really passionate about data and the insight it provides, and also I have witnessed like firsthand how data can transform big industries and businesses. So, and also I would like to thank everyone who is uh, here present and welcome them to this session in which we'll explore the exciting world of data science and its really huge potential. Allow me to share my screen.
Sure.
Let me know once you can see it.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Okay. Great. So, in today's session, I'll be talking about data science. I'll give you an overview, importance, and its application. And I hope by the end of the session, you are curious enough to explore this field more. So, do you know what Google, Amazon, and Netflix have in common? So, they all are data driven. They use data science for their operations. And let's take Netflix for example. I'm pretty sure everyone must have wondered like how it recommends your personalized TV shows and movies. So it is the best example of data science applications, and it does not end over here. Like now we have self-driven cars which make their own decisions using data science algorithms or machine learning algorithms. So, data science has revolutionized industries by enabling evidence based decision making, improving efficiency, and enhancing customer experience. And in today's session, I'll be sharing with you introduction to data science, importance, and some of its applications. You'll also know the essential tools and techniques you can use to get started with this field. So, data science has gained immense popularity and also found application across diverse industries. Uh, Artificial intelligence, machine learning, these are very common words nowadays. I'm pretty sure everyone must have heard it somewhere or the other. But what is data science? So, we can say that it's an interdisciplinary field that combines statistical analysis, machine learning, and domain expertise to extract insights. It involves scientific methods, algorithms to make sense out of both structured and unstructured data. And when I say unstructured data, means it is not in a proper format, and that is how the real world data is. It's huge, it's messy, it is full of anomalies, and it has a lot of missing data. And it is up to us data professionals to clean it, process it, so that we can unlock various valuable insights, and make informed decisions. Oh, sorry. Coming back to the three components of statistics, we coming back to three components of data science, we have statistical analysis. So, data science has uses a lot of statistical techniques, algorithms to make decisions. And if we can start with descriptive analysis, it's a basic statistical technique. So it will give you valuable insight about the data. It will give you summary of the data, and a data visualization will only help you to understand patterns. If there is a particular pattern in the data, when it is increasing, where it is increasing or decreasing, are there any outliers in it? So that can be easily seen with a simple charts and graphs. Next we have is machine learning. So, so machine learning algorithms are used to make predictive models, and uh, which can help enable any system or machine to learn from the data without any explicit programming. Like for example, we discussed a self-driven car is example of machine learning algorithms. And in the end, last we have is domain expertise. So to understand the context and take insights from the data, we have to know like which industry we are targeting, which variable are useful in that particular industry or domain. Otherwise, we can make like the decision we might make get scrutinized and will not be very effective. Okay, now that we know what data science is, I would let's understand the importance of data science. So this is an era of data science. Every click you make, every post you do, the comment you make, that's data. This session I'm taking is data. You attending is data. In future, it will be leveraged by someone to make informative insights. So, if I say that data is the new currency, I won't be wrong. And you can see today, every organization is generating and collecting vast amount of data. So, this data combined with the tools and techniques of data science help us take actionable insights which are valuable for the industry. Uh, So, according to a study that was done by McKinsey Global Institute, it was seen that many businesses and data driven organizations are using uh, the organizations that are using data are more likely to be profitable, retain customers, and are ahead in the competition within the market. So, they leverage data patterns that they can see in the data, predict their customers reviews, and then which can help them improve their products and services for the better. And as I said, that many businesses are using it, but it is just not limited to that. So data science is now coming in each and every industry there is. For example, healthcare, government sector as well. Even many education institutes are using healthcare to, are using data science to make informed decisions and improve the quality of life. Okay, so now one of some of these industries that we discussed, I'll be taking you through some of the applications among them. So first one is healthcare. So I'm currently working in healthcare, and I have seen data science revolutionize this industry from personalized care to predictive analysis to where we can diagnose a disease, and also it helps in drug discovery and overall leading to a better improved patient care. I recently read an article which was based on a study in which AI had predicted uh, cancer among patients 2 years before it was diagnosed. So you can already see how already data is helping healthcare improve and take better decisions. Next, we have is finance. So, in finance, the organizations use uh, financial data to predict fraud detection. Your credit card score is based on the same data analysis and insights that are gathered. So, this industry as well, data science is improving a lot of improving this sector. Next we have is marketing. So application marketing include customer behavior analysis, targeting, advertising, recommended system. So which group a particular brand wants to target? Do they want to target children? Do they want to target teenagers, or even a particular any given section, male or female? So all everything is done by the basis of customer behavior analysis and the targeted advertising. For example, Zomato. So I'm pretty sure everyone had like received messages from Zomato once they have ordered dinner that it's time to have some sweet or dessert. So that's also based on marketing, uh, data science and marketing. Next industry is manufacturing. So manufacturing drives process optimization, predicts maintenance, and it overall improves the productivity. So before we had cars that were made by human. Today we have cars that are not even driven by humans. So from there to here we have come a long way, and everything is now based on data. So last but not the least is sports industry. Data science is making significant impact in the sports industry by providing insight for performance analysis, player evaluation. They leverage match data and player statistics to gain uh, competitive advantage in the game. Many sports, for example, cricket as well as basketball, use this player evaluation thing to know like which player they should send in the next game, or which player among the competition is performing poorly, or how to tackle them. So everything is based on data decisions. But these are just few of the industries, and now I would like you to think about more of it. What other example have you seen in among different industries? And you can even mention in the chat and let me know. Uh, so data science is vast and it is growing, and it will only grow as more organizations will recognize its value. Now that we have seen applications, a few these are the few essential skills and techniques you can learn to start your journey into data science and excel in the field. So the first one is technical skills. In this, we have statistical analysis. Uh, both statistics and mathematics are crucial for data science. Like you can say they are the backbone of uh, data analysis and machine learning algorithms. So you should be familiar with the terms like probability, hypothesis testing, and based on these, you can easily build models and draw conclusions. Next, we have is programming language. Proficiency in languages like R, Python, and SQL is really important. You should be comfortable with these. If not, I would suggest to start practicing. Then we have is machine learning, like we discussed before. This is one of the components of data science. It has it has algorithms like linear regression, decision trees, random forest, which will help you uh, uh, generate more models and help you in predictive analysis as well. And familiar, you should be familiar with these terms, and there are many libraries present in different languages which will help you easily build machine learning algorithms. uh, Non-technical skills are as important as technical skills. Your data is just data if you are not able to make valuable insight from it, if you're not able to make sense out of it. There comes analytical thinking. So you should have that analytical thinking to make sense out of it. And we also discuss domain knowledge. Domain knowledge is must to make sense out of the variables which are crucial for you, which are not crucial for you. You should drop the ones which are not useful, and hence domain knowledge is very important. uh, and the last we have is communication and data visualization. So not everyone has a technical background, not everyone is familiar with the uh, terms like machine learning algorithms, the insights they provide. So you should be able to uh, share your data, your insights to them in such a way that it so you should be able to share your insights to them in such a way that they can easily interpret it. So one of the tools is data visualization application. So first we have is Tableau. We also have Power BI, and we also have libraries like Matplotlib, ggplot2 in both R and Python, which are really good for data visualization. Okay, so now that we have uh, seen the applications and also the skills, I'll give you two real world case studies. So first one we have is social media sentiment analysis. So a consumer group brand uses social media sentiment analysis to understand customer opinion and sentiments toward their products. So if you write a review for a product, or if you anywhere mention it that this is a good product, or you tweet about it, you like it, so everything is getting uh, noticed by the people who are doing sentiment analysis, and uh, they'll be generating insight from it that okay, this person, so these are our targeted audience, and whether they are getting targeted or not, or what do you prefer, according to that they will improve their product. It also helps them build their brand image and make changes in the product. Next we have is player performance analysis in basketball. So sports industry is using data science a lot, and one of the example is player performance data. So you can use insights from shooting accuracy, rebounding statistics to gain insights and analyze the team. So in basketball, what happens that not everyone plays. So you need to understand that which player you need to send for the next game or the particular game based on opponents' players. So player rotation uh, decisions can be better, which will lead and improve the overall performance as well as increase their winning percentages. Last but not the least, so ethical consideration are really important when dealing with data. If you are new to data, you must know that it is crucial to ensure responsible and fair use of data. It will help you build trust among customers, even stakeholders, protect their privacy. So the first one we have is privacy. So the primary ethical concern is that you should be able to protect individuals' identity. Many industries, what they do is they encrypt the data, so you are not able to guess or know who is who and maintain anonymity. Next is that your data should not be biased. It should not target any particular group. It should not be biased towards any particular group of data, a group of individuals. Otherwise, it will lead to inaccurate insights and wrong predictions if your data is not biased or fair. Then we have transparency and data ownership. You should always give or let people know what your sources are, where you are gathering this data, and whenever you are collecting data, you should always keep in mind that it is protected and you have the consent to use it. So, in conclusion, I would like to say that data science is a growing field which is making decision making easy for every industry. Uh, every industry organization is using it now, which is helping them improve the quality of products, even customer reviews and customer segmentation. Ethical considerations are really important whenever you are dealing with data science or practicing it. And this is a growing industry. It is rapidly growing. So you should be up to date with the tools and technologies that are in the market, and you should keep practicing. So now that you have somewhat understanding about the data science and its applications, I would like you to explore more about it. Uh, there are many online tools and courses which can help you uh, uh, improve your programming skills as well as stay up to date. There are also many data science communities which can help you learn from other people as well as share your insights. So before moving to the question and answer round, I would like you to, from today after the session or tomorrow, I would like you to see how data is impacting you, how you are surrounded by data, be it Zomato notifications or even Instagram notifications, the recommender system in Netflix or Amazon. So you should be conscious how data is impacting you. It will help you learn, improve, and know more about data science. So if there are any questions, do let me know. And thank you.
That was a really very nice presentation, ma'am. Hope we learn from it. And so
Thank you.
here's the question. One, what is the difference between data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence?
So I would say that machine learning and artificial intelligence are a part of data science. As we move, so every both, like all three of them are interrelated somewhere or the other. Machine learning is when a machine learns to perform or do functions on its own, and so is artificial intelligence, because it also uses machine learning uh, to make take decisions and everything.
That's a question by Ayushi Kumari. Can we expect AI to take over data analyst job in future?
No, I don't think so personally, because at the end of the day, I think it's us who are giving the instructions. It is us who are providing uh, them the data to improve as well. So so personally, I don't think so. Yeah.
Uh, Question by Dipanshu Rana. How do we get into the data analytics field of data?
So as I said that you should have a good background of statistics and mathematics. There are many programming languages you can learn. There are really good courses in. There's a site called Grow with Google. There are few courses you can take from there as well, and in Coursera also. So you can get started very easily. Everything is available right now today online. So yeah.
Jayesh Kataria wants to know that how is sensitive data protected during the data collection and storage process?
So the person who is collecting the data or the organization that is collecting the data, usually people take consent before, whenever you are filling a form or something, you must have noticed they give you a consent tick that are you comfortable that we'll be using your data. So that is one. Plus, in my particular field, the data is encrypted. You can't know which person is who. They have provided them with particular IDs just for making it easy, but otherwise, it is not, easy to recognize anyone. So, yeah. You can encrypt the data, I could say.
So here's the question by Shaurya Verma. Would it be feasible for someone who's pursuing another a small scale technical domain like ML model making to jump to data science since it's so much in demand?
Uh, Sorry, I didn't get you. Are you like into some other domain, technical domain, and want to shift into data science? Or are you already into machine learning? I didn't get the question, sorry. So if you are in some other domain and want to shift into data science, so like I said, there are really good courses available online, and even now many institutes are offering them. So you can practice yourself. You can take up projects that are online to improve your skills, and even show it in your CV for like you have done something. If you're not doing any particular course or masters in the particular field.
So Jack Reacher wants to know that any AI model or tools you used recently in data science that showed amazing results.
Uh, so I'll not I'll not talk like I'll talk I'll not give exact information, but yeah, like I said, I'm in the healthcare industry, and it helps you predict undiagnosed people as well, or predict who should have been diagnosed. Like I gave you an example that AI has predictive cancer in patients before it was diagnosed. So I think that is pretty impressive, and also helping improve quality of life.
So Priyanka Annadurai is asking that is Java important for this field or its basic is enough?
Uh, I have not used Java yet. If you ask me, I do not come from a technical background as such. I have I'm like more hands-on R, and so before Java used to be number one, but now Python has taken over it. So if you are planning to move into this field or learn more about science, I would suggest you to learn Python.
Uh, Shalim Benny wants to know that can you suggest some necessary skills to be a data analyst?
You can learn some BI tools. You can get a basic understanding of statistics. That will also help you understand how the the insights you are generating, what are the results, and what does it mean. So these two should be good to start.
Yes, Shaurya again. Can big data be something which would potentially be taught in schools considering the world runs on speedy information access?
I'm not sure about big data, but I think schools have started um replacing C++ with Python. So that's a good start. And maybe in the future, in some basic concepts would be introduced. Uh,
So Shreya Rajpal wants to know that there are many fields in AI, NLP, CNN, etc. So which field should one go for? And for given today's market for chatbots and upcoming AI trends.
I'm not familiar with chatbots, but uh, so if you have good basic understanding of data science stats and good programming skills, you can discover more about it and learn in different what do you say, uh, uh, platforms like Coursera and everything. They should be able to provide you with this information. Sorry, I'm not very familiar with chatbots. But yeah, if you're saying that you are still want to learn more about upcoming AI trends, you should do a research like which domain is suiting you, where you want to work in the future, and which is which interests you the most. So according to that, you should. Otherwise, overall, data science is very in and will only grow.
So we use pseudo data for power ML models, having real data analytics power. My ML model seems like a breach in privacy of the masses. What are the ethical aspects of data analytics?
Like I said, you should maintain the privacy of any individual. You should have consent before using it. And if you have somebody's, some any individual's data, like for example, whenever we share even our name or anything in any forms or in any website, it takes our data. So it is up to the websites or even the person who is using that data to encrypt it before generating any insights.
So that thanks a lot, ma'am, for your giving a precious time, and I hope people would have learned a lot from you today. And
Yeah, me too.
uh, the answers you gave for the doubts were also very good and very I hope it cleared everyone's doubt, the
Me too.
queries everyone was having, and I would like to thank you from the whole SSIT team to present the today's event. Thanks a
Thank you
lot,
so
ma'am.
much for this opportunity, and thank you everyone for joining as well.